Okay, so we need to prove this theorem. So how we're gonna do it? So the first step is to take the square root of minus of 2 as the common denominator. So we have 1 times the square root of 2, and 1 times the square root of 2 will be the same thing as this. Okay, so this was a step. Another way is you can look at the square root of 2 as x, and this as also x, and then we have x plus x, and then it's just 2x. So this is the same thing as that. And the square root of 8, or 8 in general, is 2 to the power of 3. So the square root of 8 is 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so just so you know. And then we know that the square root of a number equal the number with the power of a half. Okay, and then I just multiply, because I can do 2 to the power of 3 times half equal 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2. Okay, so that is this way. And here what we know is this is 2 to the power of a half, which is square root of 2. Okay, and we do 2 to the power of a half times 2 equal 2 to the 1.5, because we just add them together, and then we get that the two sides are equal to each other. That's when we prove that. Anyway, guys, until next time, I'm out. Please subscribe to the channel. See ya.